Hi there, this is Lloyd Thompson at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 75 North. And we'd like to feature this 4114 TK Venom KZ, built by KZ RV in Shipshewana, Indiana. 75% of our plant is Amish. So Amish built unit, has a real tongue and groove plyboard floors. It has 16-inch floor joists that hold the floor up, of course. And very stable and sturdy unit. It has a solid 100%, unless you do some damage to the unit, warranty on the unit. KZ has a real good reputation, and we've sold them for probably around 30 years. We're one of the oldest dealers in the state of Oklahoma. We've been here since 1967, and we're sure here to help and take care of you with your RV experience. We also have and feature our own campground. It's just next door adjacent to Bell Camper Sales, and there at the campground we have full hookups. We have a tenant that lives there, a dog park, just all kinds of amenities there to take advantage of and to take care of you as you're demoing your trailer. And we want you to stay overnight if you would like to at the campground to make sure everything's all right before you pull out and leave. And then after you buy your RV, the campground's right there, so if you want to stay in your RV and pull next door to our dealership, we would sure be able to take care of you also. But anyway, as you can see, this large hoss of a unit, very sturdy, very stable. It weighs over 14,000 pounds empty. It is our highest line toy hauler, the Venom. Here you see the theater seats, of course, that recline. You see the 4-door refrigerator freezer. Very nice and spacious. The kitchen, we'll see in just a moment. You'll see the L-shaped couch that makes a large bed very comfortable and very residential. Also, this is a total surrounding video, so be sure to take a look all around the unit. 360-degree video. And you notice the TV moves, the fireplace, real cabinet, doors, and drawers in the unit also. Very, very large closet. I'm going to show you this, or excuse me, pantry. Very large built-in pantry so that you can see that over here. Also has central vacuum built into it. Let's look into the kitchen. Here we have the kitchen of the Venom. You'll notice it has very spacious drawers. Very wide, full extended drawers, all real wood, real metal runners on the drawers. There's 3 of those, and then of course you have the holder for your dish towels and rags there. Also has a very nice sprayer, double sink, lots of cabinetry, a little buffet here, lots of storage. Again, I'll open the pantry for you. Very, very spacious, lots of shelves. We have a pan drawer below and a nice deep oven, real countertops. And of course the stove top also. Alright, let's go upstairs of the unit. We're upstairs of the Venom 4114 TK. The 14 of course means a 14-foot garage in the back of this unit. You'll notice the one-piece shower, residential style, with a seat built into it and handle. It has a linen closet to the side over there, a medicine cabinet, and it also has the lavatory with storage below. The porcelain toilet is catty-cornered there, so you have plenty of room, and it is a step flush toilet. Real countertops on the lavatory in the bathroom of the 4114 TK Venom. Let's look into the bedroom. Here we have the bedroom of the 4114 TK Venom. Lots of drawers below the slide out, which is storage. All real wood, as I was telling you. Nice big spacious closet, also a closet over beside the bed. This is a king bedroom. Very large spacious king bedroom. Reading lights, all LED lighting in the unit. It has the whisper quiet air conditioning system, of course, that has 2 lines of ductwork that circle the unit instead of just one, and several air conditioners. Of course, the TV moves around and moves out and around. let's go and see the garage of this large Venom. We're in the garage, the 14-foot garage of the 4114 TK Venom. You'll notice the party deck. Of course, that is the ramp also, the rails that go around it, and an awning out there for all your barbecuing and sightseeing and setting out and visiting with all your friends. 2 beds up top here. The bottom one's a sit and sleep. It makes couches also. They are electric. The top one, of course, is a large bed. So sleeps tons and tons of people. Has its own door back here. That's the guard on the side of the wall. Has the E system on the floor, so you can tie down your toys as you're traveling. Here we have a washer and dryer hookup and another television. And also, I forgot to mention, but I want you to know above the garage here is a loft for more bedroom space. Kids would love that, of course. Come and see us at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 75 North, and take a look at this 4114 TK Venom. And we would sure love to take care of you. Thank you.